My concern, Your Honor, is the practical proposal of the prudent public servant. As an experienced public servant, having served as former vice governor and mayor of the municipality of Bawang, Honorable Board Member Eulogio Clarence Martin de Guzman proposed to this representation that for the prompt provision of relief and economic aid to tricycle drivers in the province of La Union, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan could also pass a resolution requesting the Honorable Governor Mario C. Ortega to extend relief and economic assistance to tricycle drivers in the province, for such is within the competence and discretion of the Honorable Governor to extend out of the fund appropriation we have approved for his utilization. Such a proposal is without prejudice to the continuation of the proposed ordinance for the grant of relief and economic aid to tricycle drivers. And I consider that proposal very prudent, and I approve it with very deep thinking. What matters most is that we could extend reasonable assistance and relief to tricycle drivers within the soonest time possible. Complementary to that, Your Honor and fellow colleagues in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, there are also intermittent proposals in the Facebook from concerned public sectors that the provincial government of La Union should similarly provide relief and economic assistance to public utility, jeepney, and multi-cab drivers. As justification without unnecessary comparison and discrimination, if tricycles could transport 2 to 4 passengers at reasonable fare, public utility jeepneys and multi-cab can also transport 10 to 14 passengers at a lower rate from one barangay to another barangay or from one municipality to another municipality within the province of La Union, to the exclusion of bus because they operate on an interprovincial route. So I am imploring Your Honor the wisdom and consideration of every respectable member of this august body. The provincial government having generously extended 1 million pesos to all the municipalities in the province of La Union, including the city of San Fernando, it is likewise and even more prudent to extend relief and economic aid to our tricycle drivers as well as to our public utility jeepney and multi-cab drivers, because they provide the indispensable transportation need of the riding public, especially our poor constituents who do not have service vehicle of their own. That is an effective way of alleviating the socio-economic plight of our tricycle drivers and jeepney drivers directly affected by this severe economic and fuel crisis, while at the same time promoting the comfort, safety, convenience, as well as the general welfare of the riding public. So today, Your Honor, I beseech the consideration and compassion of every respectable member of this august body for the passage and approval of a resolution requesting our very honorable governor to extend relief and economic aid to tricycle drivers, public utility, jeepney, and multi-cab drivers with the amount of financial assistance and the kind of relief goods to be extended, all at the discretion of the governor. Thank you very much, Your Honor, and may God bless us all.